Australia's cheaper home battery subsidy could cut grid-scale storage revenues by almost 30% in 2030. Here's why. The scheme launched in July 2025, and in its first 6 months, new installations overtook the previous 5 years combined. In December, the budget tripled with the ambition of building 40 gigawatt-hours of small-scale batteries by 2030. If current deployment rates hold, that target is within reach. That would put home batteries at around 2/3 of projected grid-scale capacity by 2030. However, in power terms, they actually overtake. This level of build-out is ambitious, but it clearly indicates a step up from AEMO's most optimistic ISP scenario. Even if deployment slows as subsidies taper, capacity still outpaces this projection. At this scale, home batteries shift the demand curve and compress price spreads. To see just how this could impact your battery investment case, head over to the Modo Energy terminal.